Shelby here. So today we're making one of my favorite salad dressings. It goes great with the cranberry spinach salad. Here are some of the ingredients and tools you will need. You will also find the whole recipe at the end of this video. So first we're going to throw in the sesame seeds. Now you can use any sesame seeds. I'm using black roasted ones, but you can use the white ones as well. So that is the first start. Next, you're going to dump in sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. I would not advise this. More like stevia would be better. And then we're going to add in the oil. And then that is it. And you mix it, and it is so amazing. Now, I love adding toasted almonds to my salad. So you can just throw them in the pan and toast them. And then voila, there is your salad dressing. However, I have found that this bottle does not work so well with all the little nuts and seeds in it. So I would definitely put it in a jar or something that's airtight to use.